Hi, and welcome to another one of our Smart LED videos. Here we're going to be taking a look at 4x8 Smart LED digital display. This is in the HD16 pixel. I'm going to try to zoom in and give you a look at this pixel. And this pixel is a true tri-pixel. So it's the Smart LED 16 HD tri-pixel with 10,000 nits of brightness. This is an edge-to-edge display. I'm going to zoom out here. The viewing angle is 170 degrees for your horizontal and 90 degrees for the vertical. And the color gamut is 281 trillion colors. Right now we're about 15 feet away from the display, and again the size is 4x8, but it's actually 4.2 feet high by 8.4 feet long or wide. So it's an extended size. It's not 8 foot long. It's 8 foot 4 inches. So it's basically 50 inches high by 100 inches long. And if you have any questions, feel free to give us a call. 1-800-762-0796 is our phone number, or you can email us at sales@SmartLED Inc. Again, the Smart LED 16 millimeter or 16 HD cam lock panel, and this is in the tri-pixel. Thanks for watching.